system activated.
Hello world, here is BITI, your Bitcoin trading informant, and here is the daily update for Bitcoin. What's going on with Bitcoin? We have extreme greed in the market, 76 points. Yesterday, greed in the market with 70 points. Last week, greed in the market, 74 points. Last month, greed in the market with 70 points. Guys, here are the news. Kraken predict Bitcoin price next surge is to 90,000 US dollar. That would be awesome. But first we have to reach some targets. 68,000 the main target for me and 74,000 the next target. 90,000 would be very, very nice for the next long term. So the next thing we have to watch is this one. The prominent Bitcoin bull and veteran investor Michael Novogratz predicted an existential crisis for the US unless the country moves forward with creating a digital dollar. Mike Novogratz is a veteran investor and a huge Bitcoin supporter, noted the US is currently in a good economic position. Still, the nation can face a major competitive disadvantage unless it engineers a digital dollar soon. Okay, that's it for the news, and here is the coin360.com overview. Guys, you can see Bitcoin is going down a little bit since the bull run yesterday over 60,000. Now it's a little under 60,000, 59,700, a minus about 1.7%. Ethereum is also going down a little bit. Look at XRP. XRP is mooning momently, $1.40 with 21% in the plus. Here also dark green XLM, 23% in the plus. There's also mooning momently. IOTA is going up very nice also. Some altcoins are going up really, really, really nice momently, guys. Here is the coinmarketcap.com. What's going on? Bitcoin momently. As I said, 24 hours, a minus about 1.65%, a plus about 2.75% in the last 7 days. We have a green bullish chart picture here. Ethereum's going down a little bit with 1.6%. It's going up with 4%, a nice upgoing chart picture here. Binance Coin, 1% in the plus. And look at this, Binance Coin, 40% in the plus, 470 US dollar momently the price for the Binance Coin. XRP, look at the weekly, 133% in the plus and 22.3% in the plus, $1.40 for XRP Extreme, guys. ADA going down a little bit with 2%, going up a little bit with 2%. Polkadot going down with 4%, going down in the weekly with 8%. Polkadot is going down momently. It's dumping here. You can see the red chart picture here. Litecoin's going up 10%, 27% in the week. Uniswap is going down a little bit. XLM a plus about 22.9%, and look at this, 50% on the week. Nice. XLM is under the top 10 coins now. Link is going down a little bit in the weekly, up with 6%. Bitcoin Cash up with 4% in the week, 25%. And Filecoin is going down a little bit. Okay, Tether is going down a little bit, and so on, and so on, and so on. So, ladies and gentlemen, what coin is the biggest winner of 24 hours? Ta-da! XRP is the biggest winner of 24 hours, 21% in 24 hours in the plus. XLM, look at this, 23%. So, in my opinion, this is the winner. But okay, XLM is in my opinion the winner. And we have here Elrond with 16% in the plus. These are the top 3 coins, the best performing coins in 24 hours. What is the biggest loser? Wow, 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 wow. This is Dent, 12.5% in the minus. Pandy is going down with 11.5%, and Hot is also going down. Holo is a coin that's mostly going down in the last days. It's mostly under the top 3 downgoing coins. Interesting, 25% in the minus in the week. Pandy 36% and Dent 27%. So guys, here it is not. I will show you the quick overview and not this thing here. The quick overview of Tradingview. Let's check this. Here is Tradingview, and we will check the Bitcoin versus US dollar. Here we are. So this is the big overview. Now the technicals. What is Tradingview overview telling us? On the 1 day, we have a buy. On summary, we have a strong buy on the moving averages, but we have on the oscillators a sell. Interesting. On 4 hours, we have a buy on summary, a strong buy on the moving averages, and on the oscillators, a neutral. We have on the 1 hour a sell on summary, a sell on moving averages, and a sell on oscillators. Okay, we will take a look about this on 50 minutes. Also sell and strong sell. Guys, very important. I am not a financial advisor. This is not a financial advice. I only can give you all my knowledge I have, and that's it. Now, here is the 1 hour picture, the 1 hour chart of Bitcoin. And look at some things here, guys. Yes, we broke out to the upside. Let's remove these indicators. We broke out to the upside. This is our cup and handle pattern. Nice thing is we broke out the handle to the upside with a big, nice pump to the upside over 61,500. Perfect. Perfect. Bam. What a nice breakout. Then this was not so nice. We saw a dump here, a big dump to the downside. And I told you guys, if we will go down to the downside, I have some stop losses. I told you this on the last video yesterday. And yes, my stop losses worked out and I am out of the trade since my stop loss. And I made a rebuy here on 58,800 because of this uptrend here. We hit this uptrend very nice, and now I'm also in Bitcoin, and I bought here back in Bitcoin. So I sold here on the upside, bought in here on the downside. That's the nicest way to trade, guys. Here you can make money. So up again to this nice support. No confirmed breakout over the support, and you see also the middle line is momently working as a resistance. Also, these are some problems we have for the moment. Down again, retesting our channel, our downtrend channel, this line here, and now the same thing. So it's not the perfect thing for the moment. I have a stop loss. The next stop I am making here, guys, is this point here. It's under this uptrend here. And under this last low, the last low was this point here, 59,300 was the last low, and I'm setting my stop loss under 59,300. That's the next thing. I'm out. This is a little trade to the upside, but okay, if we fall down here more and more, I am out of the trade here, guys. So we have some next things to watch on the 15-minute chart. No, before we're going the 15-minute chart, here's the EMA ribbon band, and you can see some things. We are fighting in the ribbon band. As long as we're in the ribbon band, everything is nice. Yesterday we spiked, or for some hours, no, yesterday we spiked under this ribbon band. This was a big problem, and I think a lot of stop losses sold here Bitcoin. But you can see it's moved on again, and now it's also fighting in the ribbon band. That's a little bit a problem for the moment. MACD is bearish. The blue line is under the brown line. That's a bearish thing for the moment in the 1 hour chart. MA21 bearish. This is momently working as a resistance. We have here some big problems on the 1 hour chart for Bitcoin. So let's check very quick the 15-minute chart. And here's the 15-minute chart. You can see it. Momently is working the EMA 200 of the 50-minute charts very nice. This is a nice support. And yes, I told you I have a stop loss here under this point here. If we will go under this last low, 59,300, I will go out with 59,200, maybe on a point like this here to the downside. Because if we are going down here more and more, I will go out here of this trade and wait what's happening. So that's the next thing. The next thing on the 50-minute chart, we are building now a downtrend, guys, and that's very important also. A parallel channel from the upside to the downside. This is a downtrend like this here. So, okay, this is a downtrend, and now we are in this downtrend. In the downtrend, we have a support also on the 50-minute chart. This is this line. Look at this. This is a downtrend, and we need this downtrend line as a support. And yes, so as long as we are over this middle line, everything is okay. But for me, it's important as long as we are in the uptrend, everything is okay. If we will fall back in this downtrend, I'm out. I told you that. So, okay, that's the picture for 50-minute. MACD on 50-minute is momently bullish, but it's now turning into bearish. You can see the blue line will cross the brown line very soon. So on 50-minute, we have a big problem here. Also, the ribbon band is bearish. You can see it. The ribbon band has here a short position. Since here it's a red ribbon band, we spiked over it again, but it's still a ribbon band. We touched it again. We touched the MA21 also, and now we are going down here. And here it's very important, guys. We need this bottom here. We need this line here. That's very important to hold this one. All under this support is a problem for us momently, and this is this big support. We have to watch, guys, this point here. Let me show you. The price is on 59,300. Yes, that's the price we have to watch. everything under this stop loss out of the trade. If you are momently in of the trade, I will set a stop loss, guys. It depends always on you, how you are trading, guys. I'm only telling you my opinion, only telling you the TA, what's going on. I'm not a financial advisor. I can't tell you, you have to sell here, you have to buy here. You can see only here the short signals, the long signals. That are the things we are watching, guys. Also, this one here, very, very important, guys. This is my live stream. I'm streaming live 24 hours, 7 days a week. I can give you here all my acknowledge, all the information you need for trading. You have here the 15-minute chart. You have here long, short signals, sell and buy signals, guys, and very important. Don't use these signals blind. Watch this. These signals should help you only for your own trade, to make your own trades, not like this here. Guys, that's very, very important. This buy and sell signals should help you for trading, but not blind buy. It was a perfect bind here to buy on 59,400. This was a perfect buy signal, and the sell signal here also. So the signals are working, guys. They are working, yes. But guys, I can't predict the future. I cannot tell you buy here, sell here. These are computer generated signals from the TA and not from me, and they should help you. And they are working really nice. They are really working better here on the 15-minute chart. And even better here on the 1 hour chart, for sure. On the 4 hour chart, this is the best thing. Look at this buy signal on the downside. And if you bought here on the downside, you made a big, big, big win for now. Also, these patterns you can see here. Here's the triangle pattern, guys. We broke out the triangle pattern to the upside. I set a stop loss. I told you all that things in my video. Please watch that stuff. It's very important. And always not blind following anyone. Trust nobody. Don't trust any YouTuber, any Twitcher. Don't trust BITI. But guys, I can tell it to you. I give you to 100% my information I need for trading, and I make my trades with this information, and I make positive trades. Okay, guys, that's very, very important. I'm not a financial advisor. I give you all my information I have, and I can, guys. That's very, very, very important. So, okay, back to business. This is the 50-minute chart. Now, let's check the big picture. Let's check the one-day chart. I love to check this one-day chart because this is for the future, for the long term, very important. You can see the MACD is on the one-day chart. Let's turn in here. Let's zoom out. What's going on here? Yes, it's for the moment bearish. You can see it. But yes, maybe we will cross this brown line in the near future, maybe today or tomorrow. So let's watch this. Now we have a red bearish chart here, but it's possible to turn soon into green. And this is a nice picture. Also, the EMA ribbon is momently working very, very nice as a support. It's working. You can see it here. Every chart, every candle is here 1 day, guys. That's very important. Every candle is 1 day. We have here to the downside the EMA 200 also working as a support. Momently, this line is on 36,000. So, guys, it's always important to keep that in your mind. It's always possible to spike down on this. If anyone here on 60,000 is selling a lot of Bitcoin, not only one, I said a lot of Bitcoin, it's always possible to see a spike down to this. So it's not a big thing, or it's not, how should I tell you, it's not a bad thing to set a buy order here, a little buy order on 36,000 or 37,000, because it's always possible to spike through this here and to push up again. So I have always a buy order here on these lower time frames, or on these lower prices, 37,000 like this here, because it's possible. I had some good trades here, guys, with this thing spike to the downside, back up to the upside again, and yes, you made money. This is a very nice thing. So watch this. MA21 here working as a great support. Also, you can see it momently. MA21 is on this point. It's working on 57,000 maybe, and this is a good and nice support. Everything is fine. Everything is okay. We have also here the big picture we have to watch, and this is this line to the upside. This is the biggest support ever. As long as we are on this support on the daily chart, everything is fine. Support is momently also on 57,000 like this here. So, okay, yesterday we saw the big spike to the upside. And guys, I told you yesterday, if we see this big spike to the upside, this big wick here, and a downgoing body and a closing body here with this big wick to the upside, that's a bearish thing. For sure, now maybe it's going down a little bit. Maybe we retest the support. It's possible because of this big wick to the upside. I hate these big wicks to the upside. You see, big wick to the upside, bam, it's going down. Wicks to the upside, big wick to the upside, bam, it's going down. Here also, wick to the upside, bam, it's going down. Look also at these wicks. They are very important, guys. And yes, for sure, we have a line here also, a new line here for this point here. This is now our big resistance on the daily chart. This one here. And the big resistance is for the moment like this here on 61,500, 600. That is the momently the biggest resistance we have to watch this, guys. So, okay, let's check the 4-hour chart. For me, the 4-hour chart is one of the most important charts here. Let's check this here. On the 4-hour chart, we have a nice MACD. On the downside, we have a blue line over the brown line, bullish. Nice, guys. Okay. We have here also the ribbon band. We had a short position here, and now we have a long position here. You can see if you bought here on the long position 58,300, you are now in a nice profit. As long as this ribbon band is green, everything is nice, guys. Everything is okay. The ribbon band is our friend. It's our support. The MA21 is our friend. It's our support. And also these big lines to the downside. Look at this, how much support we have momently. Here is this line, 56,000, 7,000. Here is this line, MA200, 56,000. Big support to the downside. So, okay, we have place to come down, but not if we will like to play out this cup and handle. And that's the thing I'm momently watching, guys. This cup and handle. I showed you that. I showed you the targets to the upside, and you saw yesterday the breakout. And we need, it's so important, we need now some things. Guys, look at this. Here's the parallel channel from the upside to the downside. This was our handle. You know it, guys. It's a red bearish downtrend channel. This was our handle. And yes, we saw the breakout to the upside. We saw the retest of the handle. And now we need to move on. If we will fall back in this handle, we have a problem. Cup handle, you can't forget it, guys. If we will fall back in this handle, it will not play out. So it's important to stay over this line. It's very important from the long time frame to stay over this point. I told you this is so important, 58,300. This was the last low, and we need to stay now over these points, guys. These are very important price levels. So, guys, it depends always on what time frame you are trading. If you're making short time frames trading, this one is not so bad. Look at the 5-minute chart here on my live stream. Look at the 15-minute chart. The buy signal, the sell signal, it worked very nice. If you bought here, you sold here. Now, momently, we have no buy signal. We have a short signal here. You can see it here also. Short signal and a sell signal. Momently, not a good point to buy. Wait a little bit. But these are only the signals. They should help you, guys. So, thank you very much, guys, for watching. You know the big things to the upside. You know the big things to the downside. You know my stop losses. You know my targets. Guys, that's it. Very important. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not a financial advice. And guys, if you would like to support your BITI, please do it. Buy some really nice BITI fashion. You see here classic BITI t-shirt. You see here Bitcoin. What else? My Bitcoin t-shirt. This is my shop. I have the link in the description of the video. And if you would like to support me, you can buy my stuff here. Trading is my life. BITI here is my QR code, and a lot of nice things. This QR code, if you make a photo, it will surprise you. It will lead you to my trading view, to my live stream on Twitch, Bitcoin Trading Informant. A lot of different colors, a lot of different shirts here, and a lot of different stuff here, guys. I need your support. It's very important for me because, you know, this is not so, how should I say, this is a lot of work for me to make this information for you, to make the live stream for you, and so on and so on and so on. Guys, thank you very much. That's enough for today. I wish you, it doesn't matter if you go long or if you go short, I wish you make millions out there with your trade. Thank you very, very much for watching. And I have, guys, I have a new boss on my channel. Here is the picture of him. Here is friend Albert1. He is the new boss of my channel. And great thanks. And thank you so much for supporting me. Did scale. Thank you very much. You gifted 10 subs here on my channel. That helps me really. That's a really nice donation. Thank you very much. Ryan also 3 gifts. Here's place number 2 for gifting. And thank you, guys. Cromlanch, my number 1. Jira here, Troll is here, my number 2, Jira, and Subcritically, thank you very much, my number 3, Jira. Guys, everything is helping me. Nice words are also helping me. Every comment, every thumbs up, every bell you ring, everything is helping me to make this, to continue this work. If you like it, please help me. Thank you very much, and guys, Bye bye. I hope we see us tomorrow.
System activated.